Which word is incorrect in its sentence? A. The word calls in sentence 8. B. The word relies in sentence 10. C. The word current in sentence 12. Or D. The word live or live in sentence 13. With a question like this one, where we're being asked to select a single word that's incorrect, the first thing we want to do is see if there are any homophones among our choices. As a quick review, homophones refers to two or more words that sound the same when spoken but are written differently and have different meanings. For example, for or whale. And indeed, we see a homophone in our choices. Current. Current, spelled C-U-R-R-E-N-T, means for the time being or up to date. When spelled C-U-R-R-A-N-T, it's a kind of berry. With this in mind, let's take a look at sentence 12 to determine the appropriate spelling. First and foremost, this means ending the destruction of our collective home for the benefit of current and future generations. As this sentence brings up both current and future generations, we can see we're talking about time, and as such, C-U-R-R-E-N-T would be the logical spelling, especially as nothing here calls for discussing berries. As the spelling in the passage is correct, we can mark this choice off. As we've eliminated our homophone, our next step would be to note any choices with incorrect spelling. Taking a quick look, we can see that our remaining choices are spelled correctly. As a last step, we simply go through the remaining choices and check if they're being used appropriately in their given sentences. A. The word calls in sentence 8. The scientific evidence calls for a complete change, a total overhaul of our relationship with nature and biodiversity. As calls for is a phrase meaning there's a need for something, this word is correct, and this choice can be marked off. B. The word relies in sentence 10. The welfare of humanity relies on the health of the environment, as well as the well-being of other species. Again, as relies means depends upon, which we can see is the meaning in this sentence, and it is spelled correctly, this word is correct here, and this choice can be marked off. And D. The word live or live in sentence 13. The most urgent actions we must take include reducing logging in the world's tropical rainforests, which fans forest fires, halting the melting of the cryosphere, which could release unknown viruses and bacteria, and preventing the rise in ocean temperatures, which leads to the destruction of our coral reefs, irreplaceable habitats for a wide array of ocean life. Although it has a similar pronunciation, we can see that the word here is meant to be life, to complete the phrase ocean life. As we see this word is incorrect in its sentence, we can mark this choice as our final answer.